overall reason I made this app, you guys, was to generate more physical therapy patients or more medical patients for you, whether you already have a clinic or if you're starting your own business. It is mandatory if you want to be successful with social media marketing to do quality content in high quantity consistently. And one post a day is not going to do it. It's better than nothing, but 5 posts a day per social media platform is way, way better. Every single post is different, you guys. This AI is trained on my board certified course materials. I've uploaded and trained this AI specifically on all of my proprietary writing. So this is not referencing Reddit or anything like that. This is referencing my board certified CEU course materials, and it's writing posts based off of that, right? So you can, that's one option. My name is Jason Schuster. I'm a doctor of physical therapy. I own Intricate Art Spine and Body Solutions. It's a continuing education company teaching other doctors how to do a couple things. And I just started this cash pay consulting social media medical marketing company using artificial intelligence. So here's a quick rundown of how this software works in case anybody wants to give it a shot. This software is built specifically to drive more patients to your physical therapy practice for treatments like dry needling, manual therapy, exercise, whatever you do in your clinic. This writes 600 pieces of social media content a month and posts them across 4 platforms for you. So it posts 5 posts per day per social media platform: X, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. So this is the bulk of what how people are going to be using this software, I believe. So in the content studio, you can either create individual posts, which is really, really cool. I'm going to show you guys in this video how to create bulk monthly posts, which is why this app is so useful. So if you go in here to the content studio, you click create and customize bulk monthly posts. It takes you to this screen. What you want to do is choose your month, whatever month you want the post to be made for. So let's just say we're going to make them for September, since I already made them for August and for July. Let's do professional tone. You want to pick all, you want to hook up and connect all 4 of your social media platforms. And then I usually unclick the holiday thing here, you guys. And then you always want to have an image included in each post. So it's defaulted selected as include an AI image. What you want to do is come in here and upload a logo, you guys. This is really, really cool. So if you upload a logo, I like to choose the blend it into the scene option. And I'll show you what this looks like in a second. So we chose my Cash Pay Consulting logo. Let's just put in the Cash Pay Consulting website. You always want to add a call to action link. So you can either use a custom URL, which would be like your own website or whatever, or you can do a booking link page where you can set up a payment scheduling system within the software. The software is connected to Stripe, you guys. You can set up your own bank account and connect it to Stripe and accept payments directly through this app. So every single social media post that this software makes will have a link in it where if a patient or person sees it and is like, hey, this person's talking about low back pain and dry needling. I want some help. They sound like they know what they're talking about. Let me book an appointment right now. There's a link in every single post that will allow potential patients to sign up and book an appointment for you. So you always want to add in a custom URL. Let's just, again, we'll add in the Cash Pay Consulting website. I choose every day of the month. This is the schedule that the posts are going to be made. So when you make these posts, you guys, what this software does is it connects to your social media accounts and it posts them on your social media accounts like it's you. So it posts them on a schedule. So in the Pro plan, you're going to have posts at 8 a.m., 10 a.m., noon, 6 p.m., and 7 p.m. That's 5 posts per day across each social media platform. So once you fill out this section, this is where the real magic happens, you guys. So you go down here, topic allocation. This is what this app is really, really good at. So there's a couple of options that you can do here, you guys. You can either choose a full preset month of posts. Right now, I just have dry needling in here. So I'm going to add other topics, exercise, manual therapy, and stuff like that. So if you wanted to just say, hey, I just want to choose all 600 posts for this month, nervous system and mental wellness, right? So if you click on that, it automatically is going to create you 600 posts. These are based on my preset options. So you're going to have 100 posts on dry needling and regulating the autonomic nervous system, 75 posts dry needling to improve mental health, dry needling to improve depression, 650 posts, dry needling and blood flow, 25 posts. So each one of those topics, that's the number of posts that it will have. Every single post is different, you guys. This AI is trained on my board certified course materials. I've uploaded and trained this AI specifically on all of my proprietary writing. So this is not referencing Reddit or anything like that. This is referencing my board certified CEU course materials, and it's writing posts based off of that, right? So you can, that's one option. You can choose the full month of post. Another option is you can just manually go in here and do it. That is hard for people to do if you haven't used AI and you don't really understand how this stuff works. So what I did for you guys is there's two other things you can do. You can choose a preset option. So let's just say you wanted dry needling for low back pain. That pre-fills out all these context boxes. You need to choose your art style. So I like oil paint is my favorite one, you guys. And let me just show you how this works. So let's just make 4 posts. So what that is going to do is that's going to make 4 posts per social media platform, put them on a schedule, and it'll post them for you automatically. So that's just going to make 16 total posts, right? The target for each month is 600. So one of the reasons this app is really neat, you guys, is you choose your profession, physical therapist, setting, outpatient therapy, and then you can add another topic. So this is going to make you 4 posts per social media platform about dry needling for low back pain. You can add another topic, and you could choose from a preset option, or you could just add in your own. But let's just choose a preset option. Soft tissue mobilization for sports recovery. Then you can come in and choose individual preset options. Target audience, let's just say runners. Niche focus, preset option. Let's choose muscle guarding, trigger points, fascial restrictions, reduce mobility, blah, blah, blah. Key points to cover. Let's talk about explain how muscle tension, restricted tissue, mobility, repetitive loading, weakness, all that stuff affected. Context and guidance. I'm a physical therapist, right? And then you choose the number of posts that you want. So let's just say 10. Choose your art style. Let's make this one watercolor and ink. Okay, so that's going to make 4 posts across each social media platform. So that's going to make 16 total posts. This is going to make 40 total posts. So right now we have a total of 56 posts that are going to be made. And you can just keep adding your topic, you guys. You can add more and more topics. So this is how you can get this software to create you a ton of different posts on a bunch of different topics all at once. Then you go in, you guys, and you're going to want to hit generate magic. Okay, so you're going to go in here. Then you're going to hit generate monthly plan. So this is going to be making 56 total posts. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. And again, remember, you can just keep going in here and adding topics and making more posts and more subject matter. So whatever you want patients to know that you do in physical therapy or whatever medical field you're in, dry needling, manual therapy, exercise, whatever, you can make posts on that. And then you can do different topics, and this is going to generate you all these things all at once. So if we hit generate monthly plan, I just want to show you guys how this is going to work. All right, so that just made me 56 posts. It spread them out across September, right? Because that does 5 posts per day per social media platform. So it distributed them throughout the month. The more posts you make, it'll start filling them in for other days. And this is where you can edit all the posts if you want to edit them, you guys. They're very, very good posts right off the bat because I trained this thing on my own material. But you can go in and edit them. So it shows you right here. That's Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, X. Instagram, Facebook, Instagram, right? So it tells you what social media platforms they are. You can click on the edit button. This is the post that it makes. So it makes nice long posts. Here's the link to the website that it includes in the post, right? It talks about dry needling, low back pain, all that stuff. So you can edit it if you want. You could save it. You can go in here and look at the picture. So this makes really good pictures, you guys. This is the picture. So what that option to include the logo within the image. There's my logo that I uploaded. There's the website underneath it, and it includes my logo into the artwork. And I've made a specific algorithm, you guys, and specific training to make really, really high quality images. So that makes really, really nice images, and it shows you what the post is generally about. Then once you do the editing, and if you're good with the editing and all that stuff, or if you don't want to edit them, once you go back into the monthly studio, you say pick up where you left off. Here's the 56 posts I just made. So you reopen it. And then once you, if you want to edit them or not, but once you're good with the post, then you hit schedule all posts. And that's going to schedule all the posts for you across September, just like we saw on the calendar already. So let me just show you an example of what the calendar looks like. So here's my current calendar. We're in July here, you guys. I have lots and lots of posts going out, right? So I have 20 posts going out a day or more usually. Um, and so there's the calendar. You can go to individual social media platforms and just see individual posts like that. But that's how the content studio works, you guys. So that's how you can create quality content in a high quantity consistently and post them across 4 social media platforms every day of the week. This is what it takes to be a successful social media marketer, you guys, is to have quality content posted consistently. It's really, really difficult to do this on your own. It takes a lot of time to write that much stuff. This is why this software is so good. It's basically like me writing the posts for you. And you have the ability to go in and edit. You can edit the images. You can tell what type of new image you want, right? So that's the Content Studio. You can go in here. Let me just show you the other things. There's an Ask Jason section. So you can go in and ask marketing questions of me. I've uploaded all my knowledge and stuff in here. Or you can ask medical questions of me. So this is really neat, you guys. If you go in and ask, let's just use one of the examples. So I have a patient with cervical dizziness and neck pain. How should I think about dry needling this person? So what this is doing right now is this is referencing all of my board certified course materials that are certified by medical boards all over the country, and it's going to give you basically the same answer that I would give you, right? So we asked about dry needling for cervicogenic dizziness. It talks about targeting the suboccipitals, focus on C2, consider periosteal dry needling, which is very, very helpful for cervicogenic dizziness. Use low frequency stim. I like 1 Hz. Include parasympathetic targets, S2 to S4, the auricular branch of the vagus nerve. So this is literally exactly the same answer as I would give you. So there's an Ask Jason section. You can ask it anything you want in there. It has an article writer. So if you want to write full-length articles for your website, you can go in here, write 500-word articles up to 8,000-word articles. You can generate an image with them. This doesn't post it to your website for you, but you can just copy and paste and take the image and post it on your website. It's very, very important for medical websites to have a blog section. That's one of the best ways that I generate interest in my 2 companies is just with the stuff that I write on my website. So this will write full-length articles for you. And this has a booking section, you guys. So some people may not want to use this as if you already have an EMR or something like that, but this is connected to Stripe. So you can accept and schedule appointments and schedule and accept payments inside this app, you guys. So if you go into the bookings and configuration, you can go in here and set your schedule. Then you can set your payment up in Stripe, right? You just put your bank account information in there. And then every single post that you make, you can choose to have this link in here. So um, if people click on the link in your post and you've already set it up, this is just an example, you guys. So I did wizard magic needling, $1.99, right? So people will, this can be the link in your post. It'll take potential patients to here, right? They can click on it and then they can pay you right there for an appointment on one of your open times. So this has all sorts of neat stuff that you can do with the posting, with accepting payments, with writing articles, with just general questions about marketing and stuff. So the overall reason I made this app, you guys, was to generate more physical therapy patients or more medical patients for you, whether you already have a clinic or if you're starting your own business. It is mandatory if you want to be successful with social media marketing to do quality content in high quantity consistently. And one post a day is not going to do it. It's better than nothing, but 5 posts a day per social media platform is way, way better. You need to have a consistent amount of content going out there so the internet alien algorithms, they learn who you are, and then they're going to be much more likely to present your information to people. Even if people are searching on Google, you guys, the more social media stuff you have on LinkedIn is going to make it more likely that the AI SEO algorithm, however it works, it's going to pick up that you are an expert in this area, and it's going to show people your stuff more frequently to more people, which is going to generate you more patients, you guys. It's very, very hard to find marketing agencies that can do medical marketing. The typical price that a single person company like me is going to spend on the minimum you can spend on a marketing agency to do anything reasonable is like $3,000 to $5,000 a month. They are not going to be posting 20 posts a day for you. They may post 1 or 2 posts a day across maybe a couple social media platforms. This software posts 5 posts per day, every single day of the week across 4 social media platforms. It writes way better content than any marketing agency you're going to find because it's trained on my medical information, and it does it consistently for you. And it's super, super cheap, you guys. The starting price of this software is going to be $199 a month. The full power is going to be $499 a month. So that's about 10x less cost for your marketing for 10x better, more quality content that's going to drive more patients to your clinic. If anybody has any questions about this, I'd love to give you a trial. Check out my website, cashpayconsulting.com. You can email me at jason@cashpayconsulting.com. Thanks, guys.